Good morning! This is my day 5. So, I just woke up. Sorry about the outfit. So, I woke up late today because it's Sunday. Actually, I tried to timbang today. From 75, I am 72. And let's see how if my timbang goes down and down and down. So usually I put a bit of water and then I dissolve the coffee. This is really nice. The smell is so nice and I don't have any palpitation in it. And again, this is not a paid partnership. I'm just doing the trial and error program with myself and also this product. Since I like it, for this past few days, I've been sweating a lot. So it's a change. And then hoping the collagen and glutathione would effect that will glow my skin at maging blooming tayo even though we're here in the house and doing some mom stuff. Okay, here since our chia is floating na, I think ready na ni siya. It's a bit hot. I cannot drink. Yeah. This camera is too bright. It's time to drink it. Napay chia. Kalamig ganyan nga coffee as in. So this is the day 5. And I like the coffee, I like the smell, the chia and everything. But the problem is, they didn't send me the 14-day trial meal plan that they stated in the program. So I'm waiting for their email back. I try to email them. It should be automatic, right? Once you order, they will send you directly the diet plan. But they never send me. I tried to reach them, but they never answer yet. Maybe they're busy answering inquiries. But let's see. I will give them a chance until this week. This Monday or Wednesday. At least I can start my diet plan or food plan to loosen my weight down. So let's see. So far so good. I like the coffee. It burns a lot of fats because I'm sweating a lot. I'm not that sweaty. I'm not the sweet. Sorry na. I'm not that sweaty. Meaning, I'm not always sweating like that. So that's why maybe that's the reason why I didn't lose weight, and because due to age as well, I think. Because when you're 30s and above, your metabolism will go down na. So it depends. Differentiate you're younger, you can eat a lot. Now if you eat like a few like carbs, you will like bigger and bigger. So that's it. So this is my day 5. So far so good. I never like the symptoms or anything na I feel bad. No, wala naman. Because before I drink, what do you call this? The Lisho coffee. I cannot breathe because the Lisho is not advisable to drink pala. So I was wrong. So now I have another product that I could try. So this is the Fit Gum. Hoping this will affect and lose down my weight at least. And then I don't do exercise actually because I'm so busy with the kids. But I will try next week to to put on my schedule that I will go to the gym, since we have gym here in the subdivision, at least 30 minutes in a day in the morning after the kids go to school. I will try my best. Finish everything in the household chores here, and that's it. I will have time for myself. Because ever since I resigned to work, I don't have time for myself actually. And then I am so burned out. Being a mom is not easy actually. And also unemployed. I'm used to have like I have a salary every end of the month, and now I don't have. And then I'm looking for freelance work online. As of this moment, I'm still checking, and I know God will provide. Um, Maybe I would like to have an online work from home, since I don't have yet a nanny. Actually, there's a lot of nanny who wants to apply, but the problem is I'm so scared that I will get a not nice or not good nanny. So as of this moment, the nanny can wait. At, if maybe I have the work face to face, that's the time I consider a nanny. For now, I'm still here, so it's okay. So that's it. Let's have a good weekend. And then tomorrow is Monday. So bye.